Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a stunning 2019 Skoda Fabia estate that's just arrived with us in stock. Now, this particular vehicle is finished in one of Skoda's most popular colours, which is called Meteor Grey, which is very reminiscent of putty, so it looks almost like a flat matte grey, but it really suits the car. Now, the Fabia estates are very well known for having one of the biggest boots for the overall size of the car. So a huge area with a very low access point. So if you're a dog walker, hiker, camper, that sort of thing, you need to utilize boot space, then this is the perfect car if you don't want anything that is too big. Now, being a model called the Monte Carlo, you have the stunning black and red interior, with also these lovely gloss black alloy wheels. You have the decaling on the B pillar there, as well as the stainless steel kick plates. Now, when you go inside, this model is powered with the 6-speed 1-litre TSI engine, so the 1-litre turbo engine. Now, these engines don't have a wet belt, so you don't have to worry about the issues that are in the press at the moment. This nice big media system that incorporates DAB radios, Bluetooth for hands-free telephone and media connectivity, and also Skoda's SmartLink, so that enables you to connect your Android phone or your Apple phone depending on your preference. This model also features the front driver assist, which is the front radar sensor that will pick up if all of a sudden the car in front of you decides to hit the brakes, as well as rear parking sensors as well. So plenty of things to keep you safe. Now, they all have this lovely leather-bound steering wheel, which incorporates the cruise control on the left-hand side. And this car, if you can see on the video, has covered just over 40,000 miles. That's all, 40,122 miles. Now, it's been serviced 4 times at Skoda, so it's been very, very well looked after, and I hope this video gives you a great idea as to how well this car has been presented. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, please get in touch. Bye for now.